started as an ordinary sunny day, but the sky had other plans.
But for some reason, the rain chose Zuzu.
Each friend had a theory. One scientific, one superstitious, and one stylish.
Mr. Bright tried to reason with physics, but the cloud refused to cooperate.
Mr. Puffy tried to outsmart the rain day and ended up taking a shower instead.
And then came the performance of the year.
But Zuzu didn't fight the storm. He simply smiled at it.
Sometimes happiness comes from sharing your storm. Though not everyone was thrilled. In the end, they learned that even endless rain can bring light if shared with friends. Every storm runs out of rain.
Sometimes, when the world won't stop raining, maybe it's asking you to listen.
But science had other plans, mostly involving static electricity.
Mr. Bright believed science could solve anything heavy, even a personal rain cloud. Mr. Puffy's idea was simple. Catch the rain before it could fall.
Turns out, rain doesn't like being trapped.
Then came Mr. Spark, convinced that rhythm could chase the rain away.
He moved like thunder, laughed like lightning, and nearly slipped twice.
But Zuzu just watched. He wasn't fighting the rain. He was listening to it.
Maybe the rain wasn't here to stop him. Maybe it was here to stay, Kupo, for a reason.
And with one smile, everything changed.
The rain no longer followed one. It embraced everyone.
And for the first time, they weren't running away, Anoni. They were dancing together.
Because joy can bloom, even in the middle of a storm. Mr. Spark's hairstyle didn't survive, but his spirit did.
Mr. Bright finally understood. Tadpole, not every problem needs fixing.
Sometimes, all we need is to let go and
After every storm, there's color waiting to be found.
Zuzu learned something that day. Sometimes the rain that won't stop is just trying.